डांसर बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है अपने ख्वाबों को पूरा करने के लिए।
Trying to fulfill his dreams of becoming a dancer. Trying to fulfill his dreams of becoming a dancer.
इसका गला साफ करने से बार बार हाज़रीन की तवज्जो हासिल हुई।
Clearing her throat repeatedly got the attention of the audience. Clearing her throat repeatedly got the attention of the audience.
गेंद उछलती हुई जमीन से लगकर जाल में गई।
The ball went bouncing off the ground and into the net. The ball went bouncing off the ground and into the net.
इसके जूते इस जगह पर बार बार टक टक कर रहे थे।
His shoes kept clicking against the spot. His shoes kept clicking against the spot.
इसने मौका पर ही ऊंची आवाज में गाना शुरू कर दिया।
He started singing loudly on the spot. He started singing loudly on the spot.
वो अपने आज़ा को फैलाने के लिए खड़ी थी।
She stood to stretch her limbs. She stood to stretch her limbs.
आग सांस लेना मुश्किल कर रही थी।
The fire was making it hard to breathe. The fire was making it hard to breathe.
मैंने मिजाज हल्का करने की कोशिश की।
I tried to lighten the mood. I tried to lighten the mood.
गिरफ्तारी से पहले पुलिस को उसे मुतहर्रिक करना पड़ा।
The police had to immobilize him before capture. The police had to immobilize him before capture.
वहाँ का फासला अब ज्यादा नहीं रहा।
The distance there is no longer far. The distance there is no longer far.